I just moved into my brand new tiny home on wheels, and in this video I have a lot to update you guys on. If you're new here and you didn't know, I just built this thing from the ground up. You can watch the full video, link down in the description below. I highly recommend watching it. But if you're a returning viewer, I made a few upgrades on the tiny camper and I want to show you guys right now, so let's get right into it. All right, so in the build video I posted 2 weeks ago, I didn't show you guys how I connected the tiny home to my truck bed. I know a lot of you guys were concerned about it, so I'm gonna show you guys right now what I ended up doing to secure the tiny home to my truck bed, bolting it down to the bed rails of my truck. So I have one right here, I have another one like right there, I have one right there, and then also I put one down right there. So that's going into my truck bed. And then I have 5 on this side. And you're probably asking, how's it holding up? Well, we drove all the way from Nashville, Tennessee. So over 1,000 miles. We've gone through some high wind conditions, and so far it's been holding up pretty good. So next thing you guys probably noticed up here, I ended up adding this roof vent, which a lot of you guys suggested this because I didn't have any windows or anything. So I wasn't getting any air ventilation. I think that's what made me sick, because literally the first day I moved in here, I woke up the first night and I was like sick as a dog. So I think that's what made me sick. But yeah, so I just installed this probably about a week ago, and I posted the video on my Instagram and TikTok. So if you guys follow me there, you can watch that. It's just like a manual one. And yeah, so I got fresh air. Obviously it's not the best job. I didn't have any tools, so I had to kind of make do with what I had, and I don't really care how it looks as long as it functions. That's all that matters. We made ourselves a home. You're probably asking, where's Stella? I'm gonna go get her right now. She's in the front. Stella's been chilling with me. We've been traveling all around. But yeah, guys, I just had a few things to update you on. I know it's been like 2 weeks since I posted a video. I do apologize on that. I am getting hungry and it's getting kind of late, so I think I'm gonna cook up some dinner and we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the night. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer it down in the comments below, so let me know, and it's gonna be a great night. Let's get into it. I think that's everything we need. Whew. It's already a very cozy night. I don't think I'm gonna need the heater tonight, which is good. It's not gonna get too cold. I'm gonna go ahead and move this little basket right here so we can start cooking up. We'll just put that under there. I do have a carbon monoxide alarm. I got this like on the first day that I moved in, but this is a lot. All right, guys, so I just finished up making the chili, but it's looking really freaking good. I'm starving and it smells so good. We're gonna fix up a little bowl real quick. That chili looks so good. Cheers, guys. Mm. Mm. That's so good. All right, guys. I just finished up eating. I'm gonna clean everything up and then probably go to sleep because I'm getting really tired. Tomorrow we have a lot of stuff planned, which is very exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up. Stella's already passed out over here. I'm gonna clean everything up. All right, good morning, everyone. It is currently 6:08 in the morning right now, and we're about to go snowboarding for the first time ever. Now, a lot of you probably are wondering, what am I gonna do with Stella? Well, that's why I'm up so early, because I'm about to go drop her off right now. I have a doggy daycare sitter or something like that. She's gonna be watching her. So I'm gonna be going snowboarding. Stella's gonna be having fun at doggy daycare. This is her first ever time, so I hope she's on her best behavior. Stella, you better be on your best behavior, okay? And then we're gonna be hitting some mountains, bro. We're gonna be shredding the snow. So let's do it. I'll pick you guys up in 1 second. I made it out here at Loveland. This is my first ever time snowboarding, but it's super cold. We're on top of a mountain right now. We're getting the full Colorado experience. Look at this. It's so beautiful here. I'm gonna try to take you guys down with me. I might fall. Hopefully I don't face plant or fall too hard, but I'm gonna try to go down slow. Let's do it. Look at this. Crazy. Woo. This snow is so soft. All right, we're about to go down the hill. Woo, this is steep. Look at those mountains, bro. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh shoot, we got a little jump right here. Oh. Oh, oh, ow. Ah. That hurt. Not bad. Woo. This is so beautiful. I'm so tired. One last go on the slopes and then we're heading back. I'm so tired, but this is so much fun. But I'm doing a lot better than I was expecting, so hey, that's a plus. Oh yeah. Whew. Ah. Oh. It is so cold. All right, guys. I had a lot of fun snowboarding. That was my first ever time. I'm exhausted. I do think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, I do apologize for not posting in like 3 weeks. I'm going to get back to a weekly schedule here. So thank you all so much for the support. I'll see you guys next week. And don't forget to stay saucy. Peace.